It started casual, alak ko lang trip lang. Laughs and talks, every moment was a hit lang. Slowly I fell, hindi ko namalayan. Yung simpleng kwentuhan, naging kahulugan. You said you like me, sabi mo I was special. Yung mga salita mo parang magic, so powerful. Oh, I held on tight, build dreams in my mind. Thought we were heading sa future na di na maghihiwalay. But things got blurry, parang lumabo ang lahat. Yung dating sigurado ngayon puno ng alinlangan. You pulled away, parang hindi ka nakilala. Yung dating init na palitan na ng lamig at kawalan. I kept asking myself, what did I do wrong? Did I give too much or was I not strong? All the memories stuck inside my head, wishing na sana hindi na lang ako nagpadala sa aking isip. Cause I keep thinking malay mo tayo, baka sakaling tayo rin sa huli, di ba to? I gave my all, I gave my heart, but you left me hanging, tearing me apart. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, malay mo tayo, baka ang tada na tayo ang nakalaan dito. But now I'm left here, crying in the dark, realizing na malay mo lang, hindi pala tayo sapat. Remember those nights, we talked till the morning. Sabi mo walang makakapag-iwalay sa atin, no warning. I believed every word, I trusted every promise. Akala ko totoo pero lahat pala ay puro kasinungaling. You said you cared but actions speak louder. Yung mga pangako mo parang hangin lang na dumaan lang. I waited for you kahit matagal na ang panahon, hoping na babalik ang ating samahan. But you moved on fast like nothing ever happened. Habang ako dito still stuck sa nakaraan na masakit. Ang hirap tanggapin, ang hirap intindihin. Bakit kailangang magtapos kung pareho naman tayong nasasaktan? Sometimes I still check your post, wondering how you are, kahit na alam ko na wala na akong karapatan. It hurts to see you happy kahit wala na ako, kasi sa isip ko pa rin malay mo tayo hanggang ngayon. Maybe I was just a chapter, not the whole story. Maybe you were just a lesson, not the final glory. I kept holding on sa mga posibilidad na baka balang araw maayos din ang lahat ng ito. But reality it's hard, masakit pa kaysa sa anuman. Yung pag-asa ko unti-unting namamatay at nawawala. Kailangan ko nang tanggapin, kailangan ko nang bitawan na kahit anong gawin ko, hindi na tayo ang hindi nagdala. Cause I keep thinking malay mo tayo, baka sakaling tayo rin sa huli, di ba to? I gave my all, I gave my whole heart, but you left me hanging, tearing me apart. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, malay mo tayo, baka ang tadhana tayo ang nakalaan dito. But now I'm left here, crying in the dark, realizing na malay mo lang, hindi pala tayo sapat. Hindi pala tayo sapat.